Hey guys, welcome back to World Mechanics. Our mission here at the garage, guys, is to save you as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Let's go ahead and start on it now. In this video we're going to show you how to replace the battery on a Dodge Caliber. It should be about the same procedure all the way from 2006 until 2012. This should cover all engines, they're pretty much the same, but this is a 2.0 2007. First thing that we will need to do is we need to open the hood of the vehicle, and now we need to remove that plastic right here. You just turn the things to the left like that and pull it out, and that's where the battery is located. After you remove that plastic cover right there, you need to get a 10mm wrench or a socket and get these two bolts loose to remove the positive and the negative cable. You just wiggle them left and right and they come out. Now right there is one bolt with a 13mm socket, and you need a long extension like that so you can reach it down there. And when you remove the bolt, just hold it with your hand so you don't drop it. After you remove the bolt, there is one bracket. It's a very limited room. This is the bracket holding the battery, and now you're just ready to pull the battery out of the vehicle. And as you can see, this is the battery holder right here. Just be careful because sometimes old batteries tend to leak some acid, so do not touch it. We recommend to use gloves when you do that. And then you get a new battery, and you need to get the wires out of the way to install it. Make sure the positive is on this side. The red cable is positive, and now we need to install that bracket down there again. Put the bolt in the bracket. This is the easiest way, and just get the bolt in the hole and start it, and then you can use the ratchet with the extension. Okay, we got it tight, and now what you need to do is install the two cables. This one is the positive. Plus is always the positive, the red cable, and negative, this one right here. And make sure they go down all the way and get them tight, both of them, with that 10mm wrench. Okay, we got both of them tight. Make sure that they do not move, otherwise you won't be able to start the vehicle. And now you need to install the plastic like that. Get in the holes and turn to the right, both of them. And this is the whole procedure about replacing the battery on the Dodge Caliber. If you have any questions, let us know, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Hopefully guys the video was helpful. Please do not forget to comment, like, subscribe. That way we can keep making these absolutely free videos. Guys, we have more than 19,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels that can, guys, save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. Check them out. Thank you guys for watching, and see you next time.